A warm welcome to a quick demo on Microsoft 365, a powerful technology that is needed for you. It's a part of TechBoss program also to help you gain the freedom, knowledge, courage, and, and respect. As you upskill, you become a better version of yourself, and these are based on my past, present, and future paid trainings. You learn over 100 plus technologies, and today I'm focusing on Microsoft 365. And recently, many thank me for the certification which they get after doing the assignments. So now let's jump into Microsoft 365. What is Microsoft 365? It is a powerful cloud platform. I get many requests on Office 365. So Microsoft 365 is a bundle of Office 365, Windows, and tremendous security. So why do we need Microsoft 365 now? Most you and most businesses can stay connected. Many of you might be already using Microsoft 365 as a part of your business or organization. You can access the content from any part of the world. You can store data in a secure way and also analyze and visualize data. Your business is extremely scalable. You can handle any number of users. You can increase the users or reduce the users, and your business goes fine. It's extremely powerful, and you can even start your own business with the power of Microsoft 365. So what are the companies that are using Microsoft 365? There are many big companies are using, like Walmart, Dell, Intel, Cisco, Coca-Cola, Hess, and many companies around the globe are using. And I myself have been using Microsoft 365 for many years, and it's extremely useful. New features are added, and that's very helpful for my own business and also for my clients around the globe. So what are the benefits? It's very cost effective. You get to work from home. When you know this technology, you get to work from home. There's tremendous demand in market, both for job seekers and for business owners. And it is applicable for big organizations as well as small business owners. You have different plans for both the solopreneurs and medium business owners, small business owners, and enterprises. It's extremely powerful. The benefits are immense. Uh, for now, today we look at some of the few simple applications that are already available, and you can also have your own custom applications. We look at some demo of that to help you understand. So let's look at this. I've just logged into www.microsoft365.com. So this is one enterprise version of Microsoft 365. So if you see, there are various apps available. So I'm just giving an overview of few of them. So of course you are very well aware of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which has been there for ages. Where Word, you can actually create stunning documents and edit them, and PowerPoint allows you to share your knowledge in an interesting way. Right now I'm sharing most of my knowledge in a step-by-step fashion with the power of PowerPoint. And Excel is extremely powerful to express your data in tabular fashion and do many things. So these three are extremely powerful technologies, and OneDrive allows you, it's like a personal SharePoint drive. You get your content in your own computer and also sync it online. So it's a cloud version of SharePoint. And Teams is extremely powerful, where you can have meetings. So I especially use Team for running my own business. I get to work with clients around the globe. I integrated that with Calendly, so I get to talk with people in US, UK, Australia, India, Dubai, Saudi, and many regions around the globe. So the Teams introduction was extremely powerful to help me run my business. Before that, they were very expensive products like GoToMeeting, and it was very expensive for individual business owner to run the business. So Teams was a wonderful product to help us to organize meetings to group of people around the globe very easily. So the beauty of Microsoft 365 is I can see who is what are the documents, so who is opening the documents, what are the documents created. For example, now users Kalyani, so many people have been seeing, creating, or reading the documents. So it's a group work environment, and so you have we have saw the themes. Then Power Automate is a powerful tool to help you create stunning workflows and automate certain things. So simple example is, let's say there are people having the birthday coming, and I can have a simple workflow to send a birthday reminder when the birthday comes, a nice wish on the birthday. That is automated. Even if I forget, then this will take care of automating certain things. So there's a powerful automation tool, Power Automate, extremely simple and powerful. There's less or no coding knowledge needed, and so many requests are coming to learn Microsoft 365 simply because you don't really need to know coding, and you can create many things within seconds. For example, you can create a website within a second with the power of SharePoint. So within a second, you'll be able to create a website. So for example, I just click create site, and we'll just say the new, let's say the team site itself, simple one. I'm just creating it, and then I click next, and we can add members, and within a second the website is created. So that's the beauty. If you look at the other technologies, it would take ages, and I can even choose the template. For example, there are various templates available. Let's say we want to, let's say IT help desk, or like retail management, project management. So based on your needs, so most these are the most common needs. So based on the needs, almost the data is all, the template is already available. So you really don't have to break your head for months to plan the project and finish it. So within seconds you can do it. And so based on my experience, I can say that probably even thousands or hundreds of applications were done for just one client. So this powerful way to create a site with a single click was highly in demand. So people here, their different users can be created, different members can be added, and you can upload documents, you can add new pages, you can analyze who is accessing the pages, and you can allow people to comment and share, and so much can be done. So you can post the news, you can change the look of the website, and the features are immense. Okay, not just for SharePoint, but for the whole Microsoft product. If you see each product, the features are immense, and especially SharePoint, it's very deep. It's like an ocean. You can go on and on. But for now, it's like this particular SharePoint helps us to create a website, store, share, and search data. And the search feature is extremely powerful, where we can search data over the entire organization. So now let's move on to other great features. So admin center is where you're going to administer. So in the real world, there's a huge demand for both for administrators and developers. So those who really let me share you something. So many people who don't like to work, now we are in a global environment, and many people sometimes have to work at night, like people working in India might have to work for US clients, and that time that's a big problem. So hence many people want to do development so that they can work in the morning time. So for that reason, many come and try to learn development. So that's one Microsoft 365 developer role, where you don't have to work at night. Now, if you're an administrator, the work is way simpler. For example, people from USA, they come to me, they become, take my training, and they become architects. And they might want to just relax and earn. But administrator role is need is there for administrator, need is there for developer, need is there for power end users, where you don't have to code and just manage the sites and create applications. So next is forms. Forms is one of my favorite, where my business, I get a lot of, I've been testing various platforms like WordPress, and for collecting the leads, and especially this forms was the best of all, where I didn't have to, of course I might be using PHP soon, but very quickly I could create the forms and collect the details, and I got probably hundreds to thousands of data. It's very nicely, very intuitive, and very nice, the forms. And stream is where the recordings, I do take a lot of sessions or meetings, and sometimes it's automatically recorded, and if you switch on that, but recordings are there. It's very crucial when we run business, where I have to store the recordings, and it's crucial for my clients too. So stream is where I store the videos, and Power Apps is the powerful way to create powerful UI or forms. So the forms can be easily created, which are mobile friendly too. So Power Apps is one way. So here let's look at these forms. So let's look at some form, and so you can create really complex apps or simple apps. This is highly used in the real world. where you can create apps without any coding knowledge just by dragging and dropping the necessary controls, and you can search for items, add items, and delete items as of you. And you've created a mobile app without knowing much coding, and it's pretty simple, fast, and easy. So we have Power Apps, Power Automate. Let's come back here, and you can manage the people. And booking is a wonderful feature where I'm allowed to uh, book meetings with the big organizations or clients. It's like the Calendly. I still use Calendly, but bookings also I have used for meeting with certain B2B clients. And next we have Outlook, of course. So Microsoft 365 cannot exist without Outlook. So recently I was talking to some person, professional who wanted to learn Exchange. So I said that was a good choice because the Exchange or Outlook is never going to go away because people keep reading mails, and mails have literally changed the world. You can connect to anyone across the globe. No matter, there are various ways to do business, but there are certain clients whom I have worked with just emails. I give them support in the email with certain videos, and that was the best of all. Because sometimes when you have meetings, it just doesn't work sometimes, and one of them is busy, and it's really there's stress and anxiety to you keep thinking of that time. Meetings always don't work. So, and the email support itself is working wonders sometimes. So email works wonders. So many people come to me for specific Exchange online training itself. So Outlook is extremely powerful. And we have Project and so Visuals. Power BI is extremely good for dashboards, and so many apps are there. And of course, Microsoft might be releasing many apps soon. So this is just an overview of some of the powerful apps that are available in Microsoft 365. Of course, I can even show you the demo of graph apps that I'll show later, but those involve coding. But for now, keep it simple. Just reuse the features that are available and keep your requirements simple. Try to get it done in the simplest way possible. And of course, tremendous planning is needed. Now, if you don't plan well, there will be a lot of issues. For example, let's say a client comes to me like JP Morgan, they are a finance company, and of course, the credit card details or the number details are very important. After a year or two, the data grows and they don't know what to do. So you should plan well and have an archival plan, what to do if the data grows, how to handle all that. So is Microsoft able to handle such data? You need to really think ahead of those things and then choose the right technology. But for now, I really believe that Microsoft 365 is good. And coming to the business model, it's good if you have few clients and have multiple businesses. That is always the best, so that you give results to all the clients and you focus on each client. That's why I don't try to get thousands now. I try to get minimum students and charge high, and I give them the best, so that I don't have to handle thousands of data also. So the lesser the numbers, the better you can focus and give better results. That's a good business model. So keep it simple, and planning is necessary for Microsoft 365. You need to choose the right subscription plan based on your business need. So we saw the demo, and of course, Microsoft 365 in the future is going to be way easier. A lot of AI is already there now. You have the power virtual agents, and where you can create chatbots, and the many big lawyer companies are using it, and many more AI features, machine learning features are already inbuilt, and every day there are new features added, and it's really powerful, simple, and wonderful. I really love Microsoft 365, and I really hope you start using it. I'll be probably arranging some nice boot camp soon, so I hope you get to join that. You're an awesome app creator, and if you want a course or instant or exclusive course just for you with specific topics, you can just apply to thangu.com/TTA, and you are welcome to join the groups from thangu.com/groups or the beta group, where I'm just going to release many paid content or paid works for free. And I'll be dropping the link to the quiz and certification questions that I've launched recently. So please get that if possible. That can really help you. The best way to learn is through answering questions that can really help you to master the subject. So thank you so much. Wish you grand success. Take care. Bye bye.